Hello and welcome to Crash Test. Today, we are diving into the world of safety and performance with the Volvo XC90 2016. In this review, we will be taking a closer look at the crash test results of this luxury SUV to evaluate its safety features and overall performance in protecting its occupants. After a brief hiatus from the market, the 2016 Volvo XC90 made a comeback with a new look and features to offer. One notable addition was the introduction of a plug-in hybrid electric variant, which later became known as the Volvo XC90 Recharge starting from the 2021 models. When it comes to safety, the Volvo XC90 excels in various aspects. The overall evaluation of the vehicle's structure and safety cage is rated as good, providing a strong foundation for protecting occupants in the event of a crash. In terms of driver injury measures, the Volvo XC90 performs well across different body regions. The head and neck protection, chest, hip thigh, and lower leg foot areas all receive good ratings, indicating a high level of safety for the driver. Additionally, the driver restraints and dummy kinematics are also rated as good, ensuring that occupants are properly secured and protected during a collision. Overall, the Volvo XC90 showcases a commitment to safety and innovation, making it a top choice for those seeking a reliable and secure luxury SUV.